Arguments can be passed by call by reference and call by values. If we call a method passing a value, it is known as call by value. The changes being done in the called method is not affected in the calling method. That means the original value is not changed in call by value. Whereas in call by reference, the original value is changed if we made changes in the called method. Let's see the example programs to demonstrate and differentiate call by value and call by reference. See here, this is call by reference where we given method test and variables I, j, v1 and v2 and equal values of v1, v2 to I, j respectively. For call by reference, we call test method as reference as void check test r and given formula inside it as r.i equal to r.i into 2, r.j equal to r.j by 2. So this is call method. For calling method, initialized a, b variables with values 10, 20 respectively. And for calling, given as test c equal to new test of a, b and print the values of I, j. So it prints the original values of a, b, that is I, j as 10, 20 as a, b equals to v1, v2 and v1, v2 equals to I and j respectively. Giving c dot check of c for calling the called method and printing I and j values. Output is 20 and 10 as I equal to 10 and j equal to 20. And check function is r.i into 2 and r.j by 2, which is 10 into 2 equal to 20 and 20 by 2 equal to 10. So the entire output of the program is 10 and 20, 20 and 10. The original values are changed here in call by reference. Next program, called by value. For call by value, we are passing the variables directly in check int I, int j and writing the formulas inside the check. And in calling method, given a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Test1 c equal to new test1. Printing the values of a and b. Now calling the called method, printing the values of a and b. Output of this program is 10, 20 and 10, 20. The original values is not changed. This is explanation and difference between call by reference and call by value with example programs.